Literally drove this F-150 like platinum into the pond back here just for fun. That's just for fun, guys. That's like a base model that's been kept clean. Holy. What's up, man? Yeah, I think he's going to try and give it a shot. If I hook up and tow you, I have to charge, so I have full tow truck insurance. So that's why I was like, you can give it a shot. Nothing wrong with it, you know? You did good stopping. It's not too stuck.
No.
Yeah, you stopped before it got bad. A lot of people, they don't stop.
Yeah.
Let's go there.
There we go.
That was good.
Yeah.
I gotta go in my car and back up, right?
Only in the presence of the real guys are we gonna do it kind of cheap and dinky, but
What happened to your Trailhawk, Alex?
bro, a trailer.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. So honestly, brother, I'm just gonna get you on here. I'll probably just do the D-ring just to be safe about it. And then you're in reverse?
Yes.
All right, we'll just crawl backwards.
Okay.
Alex, you're only being safe about it because you're on camera.
I'm only safe with 100%.
100%.
Right here in this center, bro.
100%.
And I got a real strap.
Throw it on the ball, 100 miles an hour.
We'll see, we'll see.
That's just for fun, guys.
Let me know.
I gotcha. All right, go ahead. Just a little bit. There you go. That's probably good.
Huh?
Probably. I mean, well, you're dunking your own hole, so you got to see if you can maneuver some. You moved him, but the problem is his front tire up
now
there
in my
dropped
back
in
hole.
the
Yeah,
his own back hole. See if you can back up a foot or two.
I'll say you got some slack. I can keep coming, but just roll back a little bit.
Okay.
You got
Yeah, go ahead. See if you can roll back. That's actually not
Yeah,
bad.
you might be all right.
Is he just on the bull or he's just on the safety hooks?
Oh, dude, those aren't even. Oh, they're changing. Gotcha.
All right,
Well,
go ahead. You're on hook. See if you can pull it here. Hold on. Let me fill this hole in, actually. Yeah, he'll want to go forward.
Yeah, roll up a little bit. Just you're not in the hole anymore. I think you're all right, brother. You're pretty good.
So look.
Yeah, I'll pull up. Oh, bro, no.
No, come on.
Give it to him, bro. It's his job.
Look, you're just going to want to keep that wheel straight. Easy on trying. You know where your hole was. Bump past that and park like by that post up there so you're out of your hole.
Back better.
Do what?
I wanna park in the back.
Oh, further back?
Forward back, yeah, better.
Go for it if you want to give it a shot.
He should be good going backwards.
Should be.
Yeah.
I'm honestly surprised it sunk like that.
Yeah, no problem.
Don't forget the rope, Alex.
That's his rope.
You got a tail. Oh, yeah, you're right.
Honestly, better than I thought.
Dude, my fronts are so burned down and my back still has so much tread.
Have you rotated your tires, Alex?
Not in like 4 months, but bro, it's bad.
What about ever?
How are you wearing them that unevenly?
Bro, look at the
Bro,
difference.
do you get alignments?
It is insane, I know, dude. No, you know why? Because I'm back up my driveway and front wheel drive, I'm just burning out like trying to back up.
Yeah. Toasted them things. Yeah,
Not
you
all
need to
heroes.
rotate them tires,
I know,
boy.
dude, I know. No, I need new ones. I need some real tires.
Yeah. You need a real Toyota. That's
Let me
what
get
you
on my
need.
trailer and make sure I get out of here now. Here, I'll give me $20 to pull you out. Hey, honestly, though.
I believe it.
Says that every time.
I know. He'll keep saying it until one day a Toyota shows up. All right, guys, we're down here on the south end, and we got a two-wheel drive F-250. Oh, 150. Not 250, it's just a 150. Two-wheel drive F-150. Did not make it very far off the ramp. These are 4x4 only ramps, and if you don't notice or decide to ignore the 4x4 only ramps, you end up in these situations. How you doing today, sir? What was your name?
John.
John, I'm John as well. Nice to meet you. All right, should be pretty simple. I think I can just get a hard hitch receiver in there, put a rope on it, and we'll pull you nice and easy back up onto the concrete. All right,
Okay.
so I'll hook it up. Cool guy. I like the vibe.
Georgia.
That's true. Pretty quick.
That's true. Yeah, for what it is good.
I don't know. I see a lot of 43.
Beat up, yeah. Especially these work truck trims.
Yeah. It's kind of nice to see one that actually managed to survive.
Someone took half decent care of it.
Yeah.
It's ironic if this goes in the video with the dude who backed his F-150 into the pond. And then you got, you know, this. All right, so I'll just have you straighten that wheel out towards me. Probably one rotation. Yep. And so you'll just want to keep it straight. Give me a tiny bit of gas in reverse so I'm not pulling you dead weight. And we'll just back it up real easy until your tires are up on that concrete, all right? All right.
Start giving it a tiny bit of gas.
Oh, yeah. You did great. Beautiful.
It's always nice when things go smoothly.
Yeah, you did good. Good job. You did good, buddy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Some people are all swerving and hitting the brake and the gas. It's nice when I got someone that's smooth with it.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, man. Y'all were cool. Now, it's your birthday? Happy birthday. That's awesome. Hopefully you guys can go on and enjoy the rest of your day. It's still early, so you got time. It's going to ask if you want a receipt, email, text, or no evidence.
No.
All right.
Thanks, man.
Y'all have a blessed day, okay? Hey, sounds good, man. You can check us out, Santo. Yeah, it's gonna be funny. That's if this is put in front of the other F-150. It's like that's like a base model that's been kept clean, and then you see a freaking platinum in a pond. It's like completely opposite ends of the spectrum, dude. All right, guys, there you go. We got that two-wheel drive F-150 out of there. They were awesome, really cool vibes. Dude drove like a boss. Couldn't ask for a better client. Now, he took great care of that old F-150 base model, but is clean. What you're about to see is probably about the polar opposite of that. You're about to see a Platy that has been treated worse than a work truck, guys. We'll see you there.
Yesterday.
We got called out by some kids that, not gonna lie, seems a little ridiculous to me. I guess they literally drove this F-150, like, platinum into the pond back here just for fun, and now the 4x4 won't engage, maybe because it's underwater. So we're gonna see what it's gonna take to get this thing out of here, but they did it in pretty good. Well, hello.
What's up?
Is it still running?
Yeah.
Thank God.
Awesome.
Thank God. Whoa. Y'all boys. What was your name, buddy?
Carter.
Carter Johnny. All right. Well. Dude. Did you get some photos? Jeez. Yeah. That's pretty bad.
Bro.
Hear that exhaust leak?
Yeah. Yeah, that's an easy way to tell. You can leak test the whole truck, put it in the water.
That's what I was looking for, actually.
Oh, yeah, right. Just yeah, exactly. It makes sense.
It's on purpose.
Leak testing it. What's up, guys?
What's up, man?
Nothing much.
That's
What's up? All right. Well, I mean, so it's just spinning what, one tire?
They can't. We're breaking straps at it. They're both spinning.
They're both spinning. It's got a locker.
He can't get his full driving gauge because he can't back up. We got sand.
All right, it's time to lock in, boy. Let's go. All right, so both backs are spinning. It's got the rear locker and it's working.
Yeah.
All right, so I think first thing I'm gonna try and give it a little bop with the kinetic. And if that'll work, then that'll be the easiest. If we can't move it, because if you're spinning two, that's something. If we can't move it like that, then I'll throw a winch on it. Worst case scenario, I'll put my heavy winch on the front
actuators are fun.
and I'll anchor to someone else in the back. But we should get it. If it's running and spinning, we'll get it. Well, I was gonna say I'm kind of worried to snatch up the hill.
Yeah. So you might just
Like
go switch
20
the winch
feet
in.
is like right before it, and 30 feet is like right after it. But I can't really.
Yeah.
Winching's a little boring though. I'll just winch it, I guess. It makes the most sense. If it was flat, it'd be one thing, but I don't know. I could get the rope out. Let me get a 30-foot rope out. I need a measuring tape. I can't tell if I'm gonna hit before or after that. Yeah. Yeah, no.
Size are these? 7?
So, no, 35 by 15 and a half though, so they're thick. Yeah, they're just thick as hell.
15?
15 and a half. So they're just wide as hell.
See, that's the kind of rope I need right there.
Oh yeah. All right. So these, you gonna get wet? You're already wet. Go around your rings up front. Run it up through the top, back around, cinch it on here. You want it sitting like this. Okay?
I think
I'm gonna come check your work, but I don't want to have to get as wet as you're gonna get, unless I have to. Okay? Do one side, and then I'm gonna turn around. And I'm gonna run the winch line out too, and then you'll grab that. I was gonna snatch you, but with that hill right there, it don't make no sense. Okay, yeah, sounds good. My dad should pass through that area. If not, we'll get it. I'm trying to get this damn truck out of the mud, so I appreciate you, buddy. All right, see ya. Oh, so much folks are bringing. All right. Oh, you gotta put the winch on, like I was saying. Undo one of the sides. Yeah, so I can put the winch line on. All right, so I'm gonna get some tension on the line. I want you to hop in there, try and get that wheel as straight with me as you can, and just feather the gas when I'm pulling on it. And we just want to see if we can get it moving. Turn that wheel a little bit. All right, straight at me. Yep, you're moving. Keep the wheel straight with me. This way. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of gas. Hell yeah, baby.
Holy sh! Brother.
Dude, that is wild, dude.
I'm glad I got that on camera.
Man. Well, you're gonna have to dry her out for a few days there, Bob.
She's sold. Detailer, come on.
She's sold. Marketplace
Detailer.
tomorrow.
Hey, we know a detailer.
We're extracting these carpets and selling it.
Oh wait, he works at diamond detailing.
Oh man, dude, that is hilarious.
Let's go.
Hit it
You ready
again.
to stick around out here?
I gotta go back. I'll hang out for like 10 minutes. Make sure you don't get stuck in the next 10 minutes.
Nah, he's gonna get stuck again.
Deeper than what it used to be.
I believe it.
Yeah.
I ain't never seen somebody dump in that pond like that before.
Ah.
Put the four-wheeler in there.
There you go.
It's over your head right now.
I believe it. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna want to go in 4x4 for a little while.
Might be good.
Yeah. Yeah, your subs are cooked, pal.
No, they should be good. They were sitting up.
Oh, he sent me a video. When he FaceTimed me, they were half underwater.
Oh,
Yeah.
They
Yeah,
were
I like that hat. Go Bucks.
Hey, appreciate it.
Yeah, no, he FaceTimed me, and that was them. They were underwater.
Yeah.
It's nice though. It was
Someone's
nice.
got a lot of interior to clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
That'd be you, Carter. What? You got a lot of to clean. I do that. I try to truck 3 times this week.
That's wild.
That makes sense.
You gonna clean it another 3 times this week? Yeah, you definitely need a snorkel on your Platinum. Well, pull forward, not back, so you don't dump off that edge and get stuck again. That'll fix it.
Of course, I got straight up the
Oh
What I like
boy,
to see right
dude.
Who the hell even tried to pull this out like that? Who tried to pull this out with that little?
Oh, the drop down step worked this time.
Holy
Who's in the Super?
Oh my gosh.
You got a good video out of this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you sent us a few pictures. We'll clip them in and, you know, hey, come buy it. Well, you're going to get torn up in the comments, boy.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, man. It'll be funny, though. You want a receipt, Bubs, or not? Sound about right.
Keep my I don't want to think about it.
Yo, no evidence. No evidence.
I forgot. Beach citation I gotta pay.
Buddy. All right, you ain't going to get stuck again, are
I
you?
go to jail if I don't pay. Nah. This ain't never been stuck before in its life until today.
Keep it that way.
If I had 4-wheel, I would have been out today.
Well, put it in 4-wheel before you dump it in the pond. Alrighty, guys, we got the Platy Daddy up out of the freaking pond, and I think he's staying out of trouble for now. There's a few other people here that can hopefully pull him out if he does something again. So we're going to go ahead and get out of here and make sure we can close up the beach for the day, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Santo, they're best.
Subscribe to Santo and you'll see all these awesome videos.
Subscribe to